practice riding his bike with no training wheels. Daddy's been practicing with him a little time.
Pedal.
Good job, buddy.
Use brakes.
Good job.
Alright, you do it again. Let's come back. Okay, ready?
It's October 2012. He's going to try it again. He's been trying to practice on this grass. Good job, buddy. Keep pedaling.
Pedal. Good job, baby.
Come on, Mace. Oh, almost, buddy.
Let's try it again. We do better going the other way, don't we? Good job, buddy. Keep pedaling. Good job, mate.
You're doing great, buddy.
Stop. Good job.
Yeah.
Good, Mace.